Hello friends, how you all? I'm back again with yet another super handy guide. It's time to talk about the 5 best features in Windows 11 24S2. Windows 11 24S2 brings several exciting AI-powered features, enhancing overall experience across a range of applications. Here is a quick look at the major features that have been launched in Windows 11 24S2. That said, let's get started. First off, I would like to talk about Copilot enhancements. Windows Copilot, Microsoft's AI assistant, becomes more integral in helping users with tasks like image generation via text prompts in the Photos app. It now leverages OpenAI's DALL-E model to create images from text descriptions. Then I would like to take your attention to live captions with translations. A new AI-powered feature offers live captioning of audio sources including real-time translations, thereby making it easier to understand content in different languages. This feature aims to improve accessibility across video calls and media playback. And now I would like to talk about the voice clarity feature. AI is used to filter out background noise during calls and recordings, thereby ensuring clearer audio even in noisy environments. The function will be available on a broader range of devices, not just those with neural processing units aka NPUs. Then I would like to highlight the Auto Super Resolution feature. This new gaming feature uses AI to automatically upscale game graphics, enhancing frame rates and image quality without needing developers to update their games. And in terms of functionality, it works similarly to NVIDIA's DLSS but applies automatically if supported. And finally, I would like to talk about the AI-powered editing in Paint and Photos. The Paint app introduces features like Co-Creator for generating artwork based on user sketches and text prompts, while the Photos app adds tools like Restyle Image and AI-driven image upscaling for higher resolution enhancements. And that's pretty much it. These updates signify Microsoft's commitment to integrating AI more deeply into the Windows 11 experience, making everyday tasks like gaming, video calls, and content creation more efficient and accessible. Now feel free to share your thoughts about these new add-ons, and I'll catch you up in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.